Bill Anders, a retired NASA astronaut, holds a unique place in the history of space exploration as one of the key figures in the Apollo 8 mission, the first crewed spacecraft to orbit the Moon. Born on October 17, 1933, Anders served as the lunar module pilot for the mission, which launched on December 21, 1968. Apollo 8 was groundbreaking, marking humanity's first journey to another celestial body. Anders, along with fellow astronauts Frank Borman and Jim Lovell, captured the world's imagination during their 6-day mission. A highlight of the mission was the iconic Earthrise photograph, taken by Anders, which showed Earth rising above the lunar horizon. This image became a powerful symbol of Earth's fragility and unity, inspiring environmental movements and reshaping perspectives on our planet. Before joining NASA, Anders served as a fighter pilot and engineer in the U.S. Air Force. He brought his technical expertise and dedication to the Apollo program, playing a crucial role in its success. After leaving NASA, he worked in various capacities, including as the U.S. ambassador to Norway and as an executive in the energy industry. Anders' contributions to science, exploration, and humanity's understanding of our place in the universe remain profound. His legacy continues to inspire new generations of explorers and dreamers.